Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to sign up and log in Adobe Scan for the first time. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Adobe Scan is a free mobile app that lets you scan documents using your phone and save them as PDF files. To use it fully, what you need to do is simply download the app from your Play Store or your App Store. Now once you have downloaded the app, what you need to do is simply open up the app, and then once inside you will be prompted to sign in. Then when the app opens, simply tap on the sign in or get started option and then choose a sign up method. You can create or use an account with Google account, Apple ID for iPhone users, Facebook, and email for your Adobe ID that uses it. Then for email sign up, simply tap on continue with email and enter in your email address. Then simply create a password and verify your email if asked. This creates an Adobe ID for free. The next step is to allow permissions. You'll be prompted to allow camera access, for scanning, allow storage access to save scans. Now, in order to log in, simply tap on the login by launching up the Adobe Scan app and then choose the same method you used before from Google, Apple, Facebook or email. Then simply enter your details by entering your email and password if using Adobe ID, or sign in instantly using Google, Apple or Facebook. Now once that's done, you are now logged in and ready to scan. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.